This has become an icon. I gotta talk about technology. You're going to take it out. You're going to warm it up between your fingers because you might feel little tiny micro grains or encapsulates. You're going to melt the encapsulates between your fingers and press it on around the eye area, either over the eye serum and an eye cream, or all by itself over your age reset serum, right? You put it on. And I will tell you right now, within the first couple hours, you even see deep wrinkles smoothing out. You give me 6 weeks on this. There's an ingredient here. You never felt anything like this. I am so proud of this product. It's one of my favorite things I think I've ever made. And I know I keep saying that, but you know, especially as I get older, my eyes are more of a problem, and thinning of the skin is my issue right now. And the hollowness, the sinking in. I've never used anything for hollow eyes that works like this ever in my life. So when you use this, we have a new ingredient. This has been 11 years in the making, by the way. We're like a serious brand. I'm not someone who just throws out new products every week. So the biggest chemical manufacturer in the world, BASF. And they don't make products for skincare. They make it for industry and medical. And we studied damage and we studied wrinkles on the skin. There's an ingredient that lives in healthy young skin that won't live in skin that is damaged or where there's a wrinkle. We took a bacteria. They did. This is where they came in now. They took a bacteria and they bioengineered this bacteria to create this ingredient, Probiolift. Probiolift goes into the skin, and it's a very delicate, it can't be mixed with water. That's why it's in an Anhydrous balm. And it goes into the skin and immediately starts producing collagen. And over the next 6 weeks, the skin is re-densified, lines and wrinkles are reduced, and it helps firm and lift the skin. But then, nobody has 6 weeks to wait, because you know how we all are these days. Then, the base is a castor oil base, which is a delivery system for all the actives. The base is a full delivery system. And then it contains the Probiolift, the castor oil. It does not have collagen. I don't know why it says that. On this, it has the collagen filling spheres. But it has Matrixyl 3000 oil that produces collagen, also helps with collagen. It contains adenosine, which is a deep wrinkle reducer. It contains Bakuchiol, which is, they call it like nature's Botox, but nothing works like Botox around the eye. But what it does act like is like a retinol for the eye area that is gentle and delicate, but it's from a plant and it's soothing. Not only with it, you are going to see the deepest wrinkles reduced, 94%, I think it was in 4 weeks, deep wrinkles, but I'm going to tell you something right now that you're just not going to believe, but it's true. I kept telling everyone, maybe we can just test. You guys, I don't know why, but my eyelashes are growing like crazy. I don't know why my lashes and brows are filling back in and growing so well. My eyelashes had disappeared. I have no mascara on. No mascara. Nothing. My eyelashes are growing like crazy, and because I used to have beautiful eyelashes when I was young. I had a double row. It was like my thing. Everyone used to talk about it. Oh my God, your lashes. Look at his lashes. And then they just fell out and became white and wiry, and like 4 of them. My lashes are coming back. And I don't have any white ones anymore. And I don't know what the heck's going on with that. And I kept telling everyone, and this one girl that we work with, she said, it's the eye balm. One of the chemists goes, you know, for centuries, one of these ingredients in here has been used for lashes. I'm like, what? I can't believe it. And then along with look at this lady's lashes, by the way. And that's not even why we did this before and after. This eye balm is making my lashes, so at night I make sure I put a little bit of my eyelashes too. But it is genius. It's one of my favorite things ever. And as we age, to have a product like this at our disposal that can really reverse the sign of the aging around the eye, re-densifying the look of that skin, smoothing out even the deepest wrinkles and crepiness, and lift the lid with continued use over time, yet you see results quickly, unflippin' believable. I almost said the F word.